Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you have a question like is Prolific service legit or scam, then here is a Prolific service review, a solid review for you. If I give you the answer in a short sentence, then yes, Prolific is a legitimate and well-regarded platform for participating in online service and academic research studies in 2025. What makes Prolific legitimate? Academic growth. Prolific was co-founded at Oxford University in 2014 and is based in the United Kingdom. It has been a trusted platform for over a decade, connecting participants with top researchers who value their insights. Fair components. The fair compensation. Prolific mandates a minimum payment of $8 per hour for participants, which is higher than many other survey platforms. Positive user feedback. Participants have reported earning up to $500 in a few months, with some noting that specialized tasks have been particularly helpful financially. Transparent operations. Prolific provides clear information about study duration, pay rate, and approval times. Submissions are reviewed by researchers before rewarding are credited are typically within a few days and no longer than 22 days. Potential drawbacks. Limited availability. Prolific primarily accepted participants from over 30 OECD countries like plus South Africa. Users outside of these regions may not limited or no access to studies. Survey frequency. The number of available surveys can vary based on your demographic and qualifications. Some users have reported peers with few or no available studies. Device compatibility. Many studies requires completion on a laptop, which may not be convenient for users who prefer mobile devices. Community insights. Users on platforms like Reddit have shared mixed experience while some have earned significant amounts in short periods. Others have noted fluctuations in survey availability. So it is a common issue with all the service platform because it depends on your demographic and on your qualification. So make sure you are on a perfect demographic, your location is on perfect demographic, and your qualification is high to complete or participate on that service. So that's us the complete review on the Prolific survey. So if you got this, if so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.